Good morning, lifestylers. Let me turn down this heat. Good morning, lifestylers. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 90. Guys, 6 more days before Christmas. Are y'all excited? Guys, can you believe it's 6 more days before Christmas? Oh my goodness, the year is almost coming to an end. Yes, guys, so welcome. If you're a new subscriber over here and you're just a Discover Lifestyle with Yoli, you're at a good place. Just hit that subscriber, just hit that subscribe button, turn your post notification on, give your girl a thumbs up, interact with me in the comment section, and just let me know that you're a new subscriber and you're here. Yeah, welcome. Big welcome to the family. And for all my real OGs who have been with me from time, blessings. I love you all. So anyways, guys, but I know I don't know how I'm so tired. Like, I don't know how I'm so tired. This morning, guys, I got up, helped Obi send the kids off to school, went straight back in my bed, guys. I set the alarm for 10:30 because I have a 12:30 orthodontist appointment. Today I get my braces tightened. So guys, I am praying that, the pain is bearable where it don't interfere with the rest of my day. So I'm gonna eat it. Oh my goodness, guys, I left my water cup. I haven't eaten all morning. Normally before I go and get my braces tightened, I try to have a good meal just in case, I am not able to eat for a couple hours. But guys, I overslept. I set the alarm, as I was saying, for 10:30, and I lay there and I said, okay, I'm gonna lay down for another 10 minutes. Guys, I'm gonna get up at 11:33 and my appointment is at 12:30. Now I'm running late. When I'm done vlogging, I have to call them and tell them I'm running maybe 10 minutes late or so. Yeah, so I'm telling them this. So I have my arthro appointment, and then I have my massage, because I had trouble with chronic back pain. So I try to get massages on my back at least twice a month. So I have massage after that, and then come back home, and then later but I have a crazy day, but I know I have to the kids tomorrow is the kids' last day of school, and I didn't get their teachers anything yet, and I want to get them a little something just to encourage them, because yeah, sometimes with kids, them really stress the teacher them. Yeah, so I wanted to give both kids teacher a little something, yeah, and then I head back home. So my appointments are like an hour between each other, so during that hour I should be able to go to the store, or after, either, yeah, whichever. Whoa, yeah, whichever. Yeah. And it's Aquan, guys. Aquan, why milk? Because we could have left left out at about 12. I don't know where Aquan, and you guys must be saying, so we're driving in separate cars. Aquan is driving his own car because afterwards he's going east and I'm going west. Yeah, so I didn't drive with him today. He's driving his own car. So guys, we're here now. The traffic on the road. I guess this is the Christmas traffic, guys. The traffic on the road was trafficking. Yeah. It was very busy on the road, guys, but we're here now. And I'm gonna go up. Can you imagine me late and I go? It's okay, go ahead. Yes. Can you imagine me late and I go for you? I was waiting on you. It's gonna come right back down. Tell the people them
Hello.
Hello? I phone it one?
Hi.
I phone it one. Huh?
Hi.
Say hi, lifestyle. Them incarnating the guys. Well, hey, hello. Like what? I'm gonna say you do it. So guys, we're checked in. Guys, look here, I had curry yesterday. And this was supposed to be pearl white. See the curry? Staying up the elastic. I'm gonna have to get a darker color this time. I don't know, maybe teal or pink. Screaming pink. I haven't gotten pink in a while. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get a darker color.
Okay, so it's going to go from the very first hook on the top to the very last, well, the very last bracket on the bottom. Okay?
Okay.
Just like that.
Okay, not bad.
Right, so yeah, it's a light, it's a very light elastic.
Okay.
Okay, so just because we're going to help move things over a little bit.
Okay, all
So you
right.
probably go up to something stronger after you get used to this one for a bit.
Okay.
We'll start here.
All right.
Close for me a little bit. There.
Okay.
Is that better?
Yeah. So do I get extra elastic?
I gave you 2 bags.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a Merry Christmas. All right. Okay. Yeah. All right. Take care. So, guys, Aquan, look.
What? What's that? Oh,
No, in the corner.
what? Oh, yo. Wait, why'd you get one?
Because they're trying to shift things. So, guys, see? Only when I'm eating. Bye. Thursday. The end of the month. As long as it's a Thursday, I'm good.
And do they want to see you back both like within 4
Yeah,
weeks?
yes.
Okay.
Is it 2 weeks? 4 weeks? What is
I
it?
think you said 4 weeks.
Yeah.
And do you prefer this upper James office?
Yes. And around this time, I vlog.
Where'd you get that from?
Where? Amazon.
Nice. Are you like doing like the whole visit?
Yeah. Well, I did parts of it.
That's so cool. That's so cool.
I'm doing Vlogmas, so I'm trying to create content.
You know, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Yep, I started it.
So can we do? You
Yes.
work for you. We do Thursday, January 16th.
Yeah.
Can we do a 10 o'clock? Like we do
10
like
o'clock.
a 9:40 and a 10.
Yours. Can I see yours? What did they change on yours?
Nothing.
The wire?
I don't know.
Just the elastic? You didn't even go brush your teeth when they took it off.
They said the lady literally said, "Oh, you're doing a very good job brushing your teeth," and she doesn't say that to people. She said,
She does. She says it to me.
"Nope."
You look. Anyways, love you later. You're going by Winners now?
I thought that's what you made me wait.
You want me to come there?
I thought that was the plan.
Okay, I'll meet you there. You guys, you see this boy? Guys, my motor hurt me already, you know? It's hurting. I would never forgive you for what you said in the Orthodontist.
Snuggling me for the cameras.
What?
Snuggling me for the cameras.
What?
Snuggling me for the cameras.
No.
Yeah.
It's all right. I'll remember. Hello. You want to look at me? What about these ones? Look. No? There's, come and show you. There's stuff animals. Oh, those are cute. Let me see if there's something else here that she would like. Is it what is it? Extra. I think this is something she would like, but I don't see instead of that. And it's Ikwan?
Huh?
Yeah, what are you doing?
You don't think that we should use the same one?
The chain have like the whole world.
Huh?
The chain have like the whole world.
How am I not supposed to do that?
Ikwan, you want one of these for your basement or one of those ones?
Pardon?
You want one of those for your basement?
No.
Huh?
No.
What am I talking?
I'm not spending money.
No, I'm not talking now.
Maybe.
Look. To store all your clothes. What?
No. Thank you.
You want mine?
Sure.
What you looking at?
Mm,
Oh, you like that one more?
It's a pillow.
Huh?
It's a pillow.
Ikwan. Oh. Those are cheap, huh? $129.
I have work, remember?
What time is it? You are the one who stopped. And I tell me about you have work.
119.
You have 10 minutes.
Wait. Oh no, I lied.
That's cute. Let me see. So you're good now?
Yeah.
Don't you know that by now? Huh?
Yes.
gonna have to tell you the direction because when you're exiting, you have one south, then one in the middle, then you have going to Burlington, so it's the one in the middle when it's exit. Put the other stuff.
Mom, there's no other stuff.
Yeah. I love you. Drive safe. You remember what me say?
Yeah.
So you're going down there, right?
Yeah.
Guys, I think I'm going back in Winners. Guys, this is a nice jewelry. I see some. Oh, wait, guys, let me put this in the car first. Whoa. Guys, all I got was whoa. Oh God. Wait this. Hey guys. Hey. Wee. Anyways, guys, your girl went into Winners. This time, guys, at Acorn, we went to Winners with. I didn't go in there on my own. Whoa, my finger. I need to get this cut out. So, guys, I'm putting on, a green blanket on my bed that I already have at home. Maybe you guys seen it already. So, I needed a throw blanket to cover with, because when I put the blanket on my bed, guys, I don't really cover with them. Rarely I cover with them. So I've been wanting a throw that, set me spread the bed, because, guys, me is a girl, me love my bed. So no matter how my bed pretty, guys, me I go lay down on top of it. If I'm home, me I go lay down on top of it nicely. No matter how pretty, I am going in it. I'm sorry, I'm not one of those girlies. You could have pretty like money. Me I go in there with my little throw and lay down on top of it. Yeah, not with me decorative pillow. Like, me bring my own little pillow, like, because I have my pillows that I sleep on different from the pillows that I use to decorate my bed. Right? So this now is, a nighttime when you roll down your blanket or your home, you just want to lay down on top of your bed. This one, yeah, is gonna be like, the one with me use to cover up with. So I've been wanting this, guys, and I've been looking for. I've been wanting a throw blanket to match that comforter. So I've been looking for a gray or whatever to match it. So when I see this one, I'm like, yes. So I got it. $49, $50, $55. Yes, I got that. What else? So now my massage is at $245. I'm gonna what am I gonna do? I'm gonna grab something to eat, maybe a taco, because I don't know if I can chew, how well I can chew. So I'm gonna grab something and then to eat, and then I head there. I needed something else. What else did I say I was gonna do, guys? Right now, when I remember now, it can throw me off. But I know, okay, I need to go to the jewelry store. Guys, as you know, Obi got me this ring, my new wedding band for my birthday. So it's a 3-piece. So only one piece I got. The other 2 pieces weren't ready. So I need to go pick up the other 2 pieces. Yeah. I don't think I've shown you guys it yet. There it is. Yeah. So I'm gonna pick up the other 2 pieces. Yeah. And that's that. So Les Stylers, just walking up to the physiotherapist. Yes. So guys, massage finish. Just finished massage. Putting on my shoes. Guys, I'll fall asleep. Fall asleep. Oh God. So guys, I'm here. I get hit by a car. So guys, I just finished my massage. I'm going home now because I have to come back on the road later. Guys, after I do, sorry, I'm going that way. Thank you. So guys, after I do massages or physio, it always gives me a headache. Yeah, it gives me a headache. Right now, he massaged my back and it's my feet is hurting me. No, there's a reason behind that. Guys, I'm telling you, back injury is the worst. Is the worst, guys. 2 car accident, 2 rear end did this. Yeah, 2 rear end. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Vlogmas day 19. 6 more days before Christmas. Yes.
Sweats on, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say